Look at this, everybody, look. Doesn't that base look familiar?
Hey!
As you can see, it's raining, and right as I downshift, it like shift locked on the leaves, and then it just like threw it back around like way faster than I was expecting it to.
Yep, in a ditch. That should be good, right? I don't want to go too far down. Yeah.
Right. A little more. Stop.
Okay. Let's see. A little tighter. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wait, you know, let me try to straighten the wheel.
You don't want to get in case that chain breaks.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what that'll do. Yeah, it's going. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. There we go.
Right on.
Nice.
Go flat.
Oh shit. Wait. All right, that's good.
Or you know.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh man.
No damage.
Yo, seriously. It's petty damage.
No, you're good, man. You're good.
You sure?
Yeah,
I got a couple dollars in here.
Don't even sweat it. Use that to get gas, man.
Hey, you guys. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
You guys
put
are
my
the
axe
best.
in here. Drive careful.
Yes, I will. I will. No, hold on.
You started it since you had it down there?
Yeah, that's the first thing I did to make sure it was still running. Thank you so much, guys. I will. Thank you. As you guys can just see, don't do that. Pushing the limits a little bit, yes. Car's not quite where it needs to be, yes, but whatever. This is the second time I've been out in the mountains back in 2013 in the CRX 4-door. I'll probably throw a clip right here. Yeah, huh?
What happened?
Came in this turn too hot, man.
Getting all slidey?
Yeah, I was just out here having some fun and having a little bit too much fun, you know what I'm saying? Can't tell that to the popo though. Some dude in the truck stopped to help me, and it's the same thing again. And there's no signal out here by the mountain. And I started walking. I was like, shit, I'm gonna just walk till I get service or I see someone to make a call or help me. And sure enough, probably about like a mile down, I saw these guys and they're like, sure, man, you know, I'll help you out. I even offered to pay. I was like, man, don't worry about it. Put gas in your car and go home. So shout out to those guys for being awesome human beings and, you know, helping me out here. Crazy. I'm out here shooting this video, driving, having fun by myself, no service, no nothing, which no one should do that. Don't do that. I don't know, I'm crazy. It's okay. You can call me crazy, call me whatever you want. I'm okay with it. Anyway, I'm about to go home and assess the damage. Am I mad? No, because that's what happens when I, you know what I'm saying, push the car to the limit. So it's a part of the whole thing. Anyway.